everyone, how are you? We're here today this Saturday morning at noon, and this is being pre-recorded today so that I can comment and see your questions as we go. So I have some special products. Thank you for participating in this today. I'm excited that you're here and sharing this. I'm going to feature some specific products that I have not featured these last few times. Some of them are skincare, some of them are supplements, and other ones are just some fun items. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to bring back up our beauty box, right? This is a great box. It includes some fantastic products, full-size products as well as samples, okay? And this can get sent directly to your house. You can go ahead and wrap it. You can request it to be wrapped and sent to your friend you're giving it to or your family member. You can do that also. Then the next item I'm going to bring up is the little pair, okay? This is our little Vinyl Shine Liquid Lip Set. I have on the Vivid Berry. Okay, it's a beautiful color. And then the other color that comes in this box is the Luminous Red. Comes in a cute little box just like this, right? And you get your two choices. There's another set of colors. I don't wear these as often. One is Glowing Neutral and the other one is Brilliant Brown. So those colors would be really good on other women. I have actually worn the Glowing Neutral and it looks really cool on me. It has a fabulous feel. It's really lightweight. It's not, you know, they say vinyl, but it doesn't feel icky. It's just really soft and it's like I don't even notice it's there. These two sets right now, you can get one or the other, but they come with two colors in it. The next thing I'm going to bring out is our Timewise 3D set. This is a wonderful beginning skincare system. You'll get 3 to 4 months out of it easily. The eye product probably a little longer. The day cream has an SPF of 30 in it, and it has a choice. If you're allergic to SPF, it has a choice of getting it without. You have, of course, your night cream, and then your cleanser, and then your eye cream. So it's actually 3 items. You wash your face, you put on your cream, and then you also protect your eyes by hydrating your eyes. And that set is also for today. And then the other skincare set, which is one of my favorites, is our Timewise Repair. And the reason I love this is because you get so many extra ingredients in this that will take away some of those extra supplements that you might be using from other items. And what I see with our cleanser, our lifting serum, and then our day and our night, and the eye cream. This eye cream is fabulous, right? This is the most fabulous eye cream on the market. And I'm saying that because it is. Right down to the applicator. It has a specific applicator that takes away any kind of puffiness. It helps with dark circles, discoloration, things like that. It is a top of the line eye cream, okay? This day cream also has an SPF in it. That way you're getting protected. And then the lifting serum. So in the whole set is the volumizing ingredients. And then in one of them, you have a little bit extra boost. Now, if you're using those and you're like,
you know, like I have a little sunspot that I like to decrease,
or you have some little bit of fine lines, how many of you have been listening or hearing on the commercials and TVs all about retinol? And some people might be a little apprehensive with that, and other people might be like, yes, bring it on. Well, when I first was introduced to this, I wasn't really sure what to think about it because I hadn't really heard much about it. I'm not really a commercial person. I don't listen to a lot of commercials, but our Mary Kay retinol set 0.5 is 2 parts. One part is the actual retinol, and then the other part is the milk. So when you start this system, both of these go in conjunction with your skincare. So you would use this at nighttime only after your cleanser, okay? And there is a little process when you first add it to your skin so that your skin will get used to it, okay? Why would I want to use this? Okay, well, Mary Kay Clinical Solution Retinol 0.5, it will help prevent signs of visible aging that you can't yet see, but we all know is coming. And then it will help reverse advanced visible signs of aging. Now, why it's so effective is that retinol in this tube, it stimulates the surface cells and it will renew your skin, so it helps it replenish itself faster, okay? In a healthy way, in a very healthy way. It takes away some of that dullness, takes away some of that dryness. It helps slough your skin off. I have a little bit of rosacea, and so I stay away from the microdermabrasion just because it will make my face really, really red. But I love to use the retinol because it's very soft. There's no light abrasion or anything like that, and it just helps revibrate my skin very, very quickly. It also will support your natural collagen and the elastin. It improves your appearance, you know, with all that collagen depletion in our skin. The Calming Milk, you can use this anytime, anywhere. I have ladies that keep this in their purse. We do have it in a travel size, but the Calm and Restore Facial Milk feature, that's like a little bit of plant oils. It's got coconut, jojoba in it, seed, safflower, and olive, okay? And then that's going to deliver your shots of your rich fatty acids to help nourish and soothe. Ideal retinol treatment for your skin. I met a lady last summer that was getting retinol products through her dermatologist, and she was telling me some of the situations she was having, and we had just come out with this, so I had all of this schooling fresh in my head, and I said,
well, you're supposed to be putting that into your routine on a slow but steady pace in a specific way.
And she's like, oh. And so I kind of told her how I brought this in to my skin, and she's like,
oh, well, that's interesting.
And I don't know what she ever did with it. She continued to use whatever the dermatologist gave her, but I hope she had better results just because I had a little more knowledge I felt that I could pass on to her. So this set here can go in conjunction or with, right, your regular skincare set. And it is very, very soft and soothing and calming. You can put the Calming and Restore Milk. You can use that anytime. And they put this nice little booklet in there that gives you your little calendar so you can check things off as you're going to keep yourself on task. One of my other items that is a really fun item is our limited edition mint lip balm. And it comes in a really nice tube, gray tube with a cute little green stripe across it. And it has just the hintest flavor or smell of mint. And it is really calming. It's like our lip balm. It hydrates and smooth. I put the lip balm on when I get out of the shower or after I wash my face while I'm prepping my lips before I put on any kind of colored cosmetics, just because I know that throughout the day I'm going to be wearing lipstick. Okay, so the last item I'm going to talk about is our little mini mask set. This is the coolest gift. We have a different one which is taller, has 4 little pods. I have some of those too. They were actually from last year, and those will go with combination skin. These are more focused for those ladies that need hydration. So let's just look at this. You just open the face. It has all the instructions on it, so you don't have to be the consultant, right? The boxes. This as a gift is an awesome little stocking stuffer. Just tuck that right in your stocking, put a little bow on there. Ask me to put a bow on it before I send it to you. You let me know how you want it. But this little masking set comes with these 2 beautiful little tubes, our moisture renewal gel mask and the pink clay mask, which the pink clay mask you can purchase other than this set. And I had so many women that absolutely loved the clay mask, and then it was a limited edition, so after it was sold out, it was gone. So here we go. They brought it back because they heard you ladies crying and asking for the clay mask. It is in our little mini masking set. And so there you go. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to show the banner. We'll put these 2 down here. So the banner is there. That's my website. I will also put that down in the comments as I'm going. For those of you that maybe aren't sure specifically what you would like to get, definitely send me a message. Here is my email and my text message. One more item. Remember last year we had our 12 days of fave. Yes, ladies, it's back again. 12 days of fave. It's here. I have some in stock. They're going to go very fast. These retailed for $110. They have beautiful inside. It's like the little calendar you open up. Mary Kay thinks of everything. And then it has all the packages inside. 12 little boxes with full-size sample items, everything in it. And you just give this to your significant other or your special person or your daughter or your mother, and they will open it as the days go by. And just to mention a few, there's hydrogen gel eye patches, which are these lovely things, okay, and our sample size. They have facial peels in there. They have samples of mascara. That might be a full-size product. I know that they have lip gloss in there. We all need foundation primer. And then they have hand cream, oil-free eye makeup remover, black eyeliner, microdermabrasion, the little travel size. A lot of these are travel sizes, right? Which if you purchase this for yourself, then you have all the little containers for traveling and you can refill them with your full-size products, right? Yes, absolutely. Some of them have the dark, deep cleansing, and then some of them have a different mask in them. It just depends on which packaging they are because they did them for 2 different times. So ladies, that is that. So you can send me a text. You can also send me an email, or you can just go to my website. Register as a customer. It's important that you register as a customer and not try to do the guest checkout. See, I have the privilege of finishing off your order and deciding whether or not it comes straight from the hub company or from me. And because I have a product in my store, I love to do it because then I can put some special little things in there and give you even a couple more little sample packages and things depending on who you are and what you could use it for. So I am looking forward to seeing this. I'm gonna go ahead and get this going up for that 12 o'clock and I'm looking forward. So say hello to me, tell me what items you would love, and we'll see. And if there's anything I didn't go in today, go ahead and add that to your order and I will adjust that accordingly. So until then, ladies, thank you very much. Alexa, play Holly Jolly music. We'll see you, ladies. Have a fabulous day.